I'm in the new Jaguar I-Pace, and next to me is a Tesla Model X 100D. Now this I-Pace starts from £63,000. It has 400 horsepower and can do 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. That Tesla, it'll cost you £88,000. It has 525 horsepower and it can do 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. So I want to drag race them over a standing quarter to see which one is the fastest because the numbers are close. Yeah, we're going to see what happens. Now before that though, what I want you to do is make sure you subscribe to this channel. So hit our logo, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you've hit the bell icon as well so that you turn your notifications on, because you've probably got your notifications turned off, and that means that you won't be alerted when we make a new upload. So make sure you do that, okay? Let's do this then. Now I know that Tesla fanboys are going to get a little bit cross about the fact that I haven't got the fastest Tesla here, but I have. Beyond the 100D is the P100D. Now that costs £130,000, but it does have 772 horsepower. Also, you can get from 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds. So here we go. Oh, this is off the line first. That Tesla Model X P100D has just taken off. I've destroyed the 100D. But that P100D, whoa. That's it, across the line there. The 100D was coming back, but that P100D, oh my God, it just flies.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla Model X P100D did the standing quarter mile in just 11.4 seconds. The I-Pace took 12.8 seconds, and the Model X 100D 13.2 seconds.
What we're going to do now is have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. We'll just cruise at 50, then I'm going to count them in, we'll floor our accelerators and see what happens. So, here we go, just cruising along. Oh, I fancy racing these guys. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this Jag picks up quick. Not as quick as that P100D, and now the 100D is flying by. I'm surprised by that. This actually has more torque than the 100D. It has 700 Newton meters. The 100D has 660 Newton meters, but the P100D has 980 Newton meters of torque. I think it's time for the final challenge. Right then, what we're going to do now is a brake test from 70 miles an hour. So when we hit the cone at 70, we'll slow on the anchors, full emergency braking, see which car stops in the shortest distance. Here comes the cone. Here we go. Oh, that is so close. Right, let me just check this out. Right. Okay. Right, looking at it, there's this line that runs across. That's straddling it. I think the P100D is just over it. So that's clearly lost. Let's just see where the P100D is. Obviously it's got performance brakes being the P100D. Still, yeah, the I-Pace won, and I think that's all down to weight. This thing weighs 2,100 kilos. That is 2,500 kilos. Might have performance brakes, but weight is the thing that matters in a brake test.
So in the end, it was 2-1 to the Tesla Model X, though considering the Jaguar I-Pace is a whole bunch cheaper and is the new kid on the electric car block, it still did pretty well.
If you enjoyed this video, I really want you to hit the like button. Also, write some comments in the box below to let us know what you thought about this video and the car as well. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted if we make a new upload. Also, you can watch some other videos down below. And if you click over there, you can actually refer a friend to carwow. Now, if they go on to buy a car through carwow, they could save on average £3,600. And if you referred them and they buy a car, we'll give you a £50 Amazon gift card.